Understanding Functions in Algebra, a GMAT Guide. Hello, English learners and GMAT aspirants. Today, we are going to dive deep into the fascinating world of algebra, focusing specifically on functions and their properties. This is a vital topic for anyone preparing for the GMAT's Quantitative Reasoning section. In the world of mathematics, a function is a relation between a set of inputs and a set of possible outputs. Each input is related to exactly one output. You can think of it like a machine. You put something in, and you get something out. The main point to remember is that for each input, there's only one output. When studying functions, it's essential to understand their properties. 1. Domain. This is the set of all possible input values. Imagine it as everything you can put into our machine. 2. Range. This represents the set of all possible output values. These are the results you get from the machine after feeding in the domain. 3. One-to-one function. This is a function where every element of the domain corresponds to one and only one element of the range. Functions can come in many shapes and sizes. Here are a few common ones. 1. Linear functions. These are functions of the form y equals mx plus b, where m and b are constants. 2. Quadratic functions. They are of the form y equals x squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants and a does not equal 0. 3. Exponential functions. Functions that grow or decay at rates proportional to their current values, like y equals a asterisk b caret x. 4. Logarithmic functions, the inverse of exponential functions, often represented as y equals log underscore b, x. Remember, knowing the type of function can help you solve problems more efficiently during your GMAT. 1. Function composition. This is when two functions combine, like f, g, x. Remember to solve the inner function first and then apply the outer function. 2. Inverse functions. If you have a function f, its inverse, often denoted as f caret minus 1, will reverse the role of input and output. 3. Always draw graphs. If you're confused about a function's behavior, try to sketch a graph. Visual representation can clarify many complex concepts. 4. Practice. Functions might seem daunting initially, but with consistent practice, you'll get a hold of them. And that wraps up our journey through functions and their properties. We hope this brief guide helps illuminate the GMAT's quantitative reasoning questions on functions. Best of luck on your test preparation, and always remember, understanding the basics deeply can make the toughest problems manageable. Happy studying!